Well, as you know, it's been a very windy day in KELOLAND, and it's going to bring a change to our temperatures. Meteorologist Jalen Borson has more details on if winter is here to stay after a mild start to the month.
We have came upon the halfway point of meteorological winter in KELOLAND, and it sure feels like it with these strong winds and snow showers returning to end our week. Check out some of our highest wind gusts that occurred on Thursday through Friday morning. A majority of wind gusts were over 50 to 60 miles per hour, but far western South Dakota even had gusts close to 80 miles per hour. What these northwest winds are going to bring behind the system is colder air for the start of the weekend. It is a big change because so far this month we have been very mild. As of January 15th, Rapid City has yet to have a day with below average temperatures. The last time these locations started off the month with 10 days of above average temperatures was in 2021. In areas like Pierre, that year ended up going down as their 11th warmest January on record. Now we will start to balance things out heading into the rest of the month. More Arctic air is possible as models favor cooler temperatures. For KELOLAND weather, I'm meteorologist Jalen Borson.